Hey guys, Justin Salter here to teach you Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. Classic iconic song. It's going to go from G to D, and I'll break it down for you after I give it a quick example. So it just repeats that, and there's a lead part I could break down for you in a little bit. But basically, it's going to go G major to a D sus. And I can get you the chords. If you drop a comment, I'll give you the chord charts. But basically, it's going to be middle finger on the 3rd fret E string. And then you're going to mute the A string, open D, open G. And then you're going to have your ring finger and pinky finger on the 3rd fret B and E string. So it should sound like this. The muted A, and then you're gonna do from that to an open A string, and then you're gonna do what's called a hammer on, which is when you drop your finger down on the note after you hit it. So it's gonna go open A, and then you're gonna hit the open D after that. So it's gonna go. And you just hit these last 4 strings. I believe that's a D sus chord with the G on top. So you put your pointer finger on the D string 2nd fret, open G string, ring finger on the 3rd fret B string, and then your pinky finger on the 3rd fret E string. So it's gonna go. So then it goes to the C. So you think you can tell. To the D. Heaven from back to the C. Hell. Blue sky to the G. Then tell it to the D. To the A minor. Back to the C. Back to the G. Heaven from hell, blue skies for pain. Can you tell it you feel? From the chords to rail, smile from the veil. Can you think you can tell? So anyway, that chorus is going to start with a C. I do the power chord, so I drop the pinky finger on the 3rd fret A string or E string, and then the the ring finger, and then the pinky finger on the A string 3rd fret A string, and then the middle finger on the D string 2nd fret, open G with the C on the 1st fret pointer finger, and with open E. So that's a power chord C. So you can tell. To the D major. Back to the C. Back to the G. Back to the D. To the A minor. If you don't know A minor yet, it's going to be the open A. You're actually muting this low E here with your thumb, the skinnier thumb, so that'll sound like that. So open A with your middle finger on the D string 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 2nd fret G string, and then the your pointer finger on the first fret B string, and then open E. That's A minor. Back to the G major. So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from hell, to the A minor, back to the C, back to the G. So anyway, I haven't played it in a while, so I'm a little rusty, but it's okay. I'm sure if you're learning it for the first time, you'll be rusty as well. But drop a comment on what song you want me to do next. Please like and subscribe, and stay in touch for more. Peace and love. Oh, I also give private lessons, so you can DM or comment for more on that. I'll send you the details then. Peace. Bye.